Hey guys, and welcome back to another video here on my channel. I'm outside and I will photograph a bird of prey today. I'm not sure if I'm lucky and successful, but I don't know it, and yes, we will see. It's really wet here, so I can show it you. Because it rained the last days all the time, and yesterday it snowed a bit, but the snow melted and here's snow now. But yeah, I think I will go on now, and I don't have so much time today because the sunset is, I don't know, in a half an hour or an hour, but I know a place where are always a bird of prey. I don't know what kind of bird of prey it is. I think it's a falcon, but I'm not sure. So yeah, I think let's do it. Oh guys, look at this. It's so wet, but the water is frozen because it's really cold. I think -3 degrees, but I'm not sure. And it's really wet. Look at this. There's my tripod. It's really beautiful. So I made a photo from this little frozen water, and with my Canon EOS R and a 50mm lens. And now I switched my lens to the tele lens, and I will go in this direction, and hopefully I find some bird of prey. Okay guys, I walked around a while now, but I couldn't find any bird of prey, and I think now it's too late. But I will show you some photos from, I think it was 3 days ago, when I was on my bird feeding station and put bird feed in. I saw a bird of prey and it was really nice, and I could take some really nice photos, and I will show you this now. But I think then I will go home and come tomorrow again, and hopefully I have more luck. Okay guys, plan change. I hope you liked my photos. I decided to make a time lapse, a day to night time lapse with my new camera, because the weather is so nice today and the sun is shining, and the sunset is in, I don't know, half an hour, and I will test the time-lapse function in this camera, so I can take some settings, and then the camera is taking a photo every 5 seconds. So I will show you this the settings now. And yes, I hope it will be nice. It's the first time lapse I ever make with this camera. And yeah, I think I switched the lens now, and then I can start. So there's my 50mm lens. So guys, the camera is now here on the tripod, and I think this recording here is a bit shaking now because I only have one tripod, because this was not planned. And I will show you the settings now. I hope you can see it. So we have to go to the menu, and then we have to go to the first, and here is the time lapse option. And here we have to activate it, and then we can say how many photos the camera have to make. I say 400 now. And here we can say how long the time lapse is. And yes, I choose the right settings now, and then I start a time lapse because I have to be fast now. And the sunset is because look at this. The sun is under the horizon soon. Okay guys, let's start. I think I have to turn the camera a bit around. I think so, it's good. And let's start. Oh no, it was the wrong button. Okay, the camera is working now, and it make 500 photos and one photo every 6 seconds, and I think the camera is working an hour now. So I don't know what I should do 1 hour here. I think I only sit there and do nothing. So I think it's really boring, but it is what it is. So yeah, see you, I don't know, in a half an hour. Okay guys, I'm here now, I don't know, I think 45 minutes. And I have my torch here, because it's dark now. And I'm so cold. My fingers are I don't know, really cold. I think it's around about -5 degrees. And the camera is there in front of me, and I will look how many photos it have to make. 63. 63 photos, and then I'm finished, and then I go back home. I'm so cold. I think now it's round about I'm not sure. I think it's 6 o'clock p.m. and yeah, it's not nice to be here now. Okay guys, sorry for my strange looking, but I put my scarf before my face because it's so cold. It's not nice. It's awful. and I changed my plan. I think now it's 10 minutes later, and I put my camera. Oh, it's too dark. I can't show it you, but I put my camera in the direction of the sky, and I will make a star time lapse, or I will make a time lapse how the stars are coming, and I hope it will be nice. But it also means that I have to wait half an hour more, but I think it will look great. And this behind me, this little white point in the sky, is the moon. So yeah, it's really dark now. I hope the white boar don't come. And okay, there was a strange sound. I don't know what it was. But yeah, anyways, I hope the white boar don't come and hurt me, but I think so not. Yeah, see you later when I go back home, and now really, because it's not nice here. Oh guys, I don't know if you can see it, but there behind is any animal, because there are two eyes, and I don't know what it is. I think it's 15 meters far away. But I think it's a fox, but I'm not sure. I'm a bit scared. It's a bit creepy. But okay. I think I will wait 10 or 15 minutes more, and then I go back home, because I'm really cold. I'm shaken. I don't know if you can see it here. The light is shaking, and it's my hand, because I'm so cold. But it's beautiful to sit here alone in the night, silent, and I love it. And these are moments that I love and hate. These moments are the reason why I do wildlife photography, because these moments are so nice. To sit here alone, it's cold, but it's also really, really, really nice. And yeah, I know, I can't believe it. There was a bird of prey. I saw it in the light from my torch. There behind, it flew away. It came out of the forest. I don't know, maybe it was an owl, but I'm not sure. I think it was a buzzard. Okay guys, I think the camera is finished now. I stopped the recording, and I think the star time lapse wasn't really good, because I think it was too dark, so the ISO was too low, or the shutter speed was too fast. And maybe I do this again another day, but now I go back home. I think that's enough for this episode, because I think it's too long when I come tomorrow again. So I think I come tomorrow again, but that's something for the next episode. And yeah, it was a nice day, and now I go back home. So see you out there. Bye. Okay guys, I spotted a bird of prey.